Hi, I'm Lolita from My Dubai, My City. We're going to prepare today a Christmas Lebanese pudding called مغلي. مغلي is a Christmas pudding for two reasons actually, because it has a lot of spices like any other Christmas pudding. So in Lebanon, whenever a new baby is born, we serve this to the guests to celebrate his birth. And what is the best way to celebrate Jesus' birth is then to do مغلي again. So we'll start now with 4 glasses of water, 1.5 glasses of sugar, 1 tablespoon of aniseed, 1 tablespoon of karawia in Lebanon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, few cloves, 3, 4, doesn't matter really. So we mix them together. Now they are well mixed. I'll put them on fire. We'll leave them to boil. Now, group 2 is again 4 glasses of water, a glass of powdered rice. We mix them together again. We have to stir now till it boils again. You can see no more vapor here, and look at the texture. It's a creamy texture. Now for decoration, I will put almond, walnut and coconut. Some people put also some green fresh peanuts. And here we go. Bon appetit!